Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great summer of 2022. We are presently en route to Rocky Fork Ranch Resort in Kimbolton, Ohio. I am in the truck this time, not in the motorhome or camper. We actually rented a cabin this week as part of our, we're members at travel resorts. So, taking advantage of a cabin. This is one up on Captain's Circle, which I will be doing a review of. We'll do a tour, and we'll go from there. I'm almost at Rocky Fork right now, coming down the big hill, and we're going to go ahead and check in. By myself right now. Wife and daughter are coming down tomorrow. We're going to be here all week. We'll be actually working from down here, so kind of excited. Something new. Haven't gotten a cabin in years. Yeah, it's been many years since we've had a cabin. So I'm going to go up here and check in. Pretty quiet around here right now. It's not the weekend, it's just Monday evening actually. So we'll go ahead, get checked in, and go up to the cabin. All right, back again. They were closed, and I remembered when I was down last time, there was a guy handing out the check-in paperwork, and it was on some envelopes on the side by the door. So I looked over and they were there. So I grabbed the paperwork, had the keys, all that stuff. So we're gonna head on up now. It just says you have to finish your check-in tomorrow morning, which is no big deal. So we'll head on up, go up to Captain's Club. These are just the standard cabins here. Captain's Club is up at the top of the hill, which is where all the pull-through sites are. So we'll take a look and see what's inside, but we're going to do a full review. We'll do a full tour as you're going to see it as I see it. So we'll go up here and we'll unlock the door and go inside and see what we see. This is L100. It's the first site, or actually I keep saying site. It's the first cabin up here. So here's the cabins here. We're going to go to L100. This is not a pet-friendly unit, which we tried to get but could not. So there's your pull-through sites down here. This is where I've been before. Gotten plenty of video here. L100, I believe, is this first one right here overlooking the campsite. I believe. We're going to find out. We kind of drove up here in the spring when we were down here, and my parents were pretty excited about it, so looks pretty good. We'll see how much parking's up here too. The pictures make these look absolutely massive, and I don't think the insides are that big. A couple people up here, huh? So it looks like you can park right out front, as long as you can drive by. All right. That is L200, so L100 is the first one here. So we've got parking here. I'm going to back in, L100. Okay. We're going to open up the door, and we'll get a tour. All right, stand by.